Ah, it's such a beautiful day until you realize you have to work on this piece of just kidding. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another video, and in this video we're going to be doing a ABS wheel speed sensor replacement in the A4, even though the wrong car is currently behind me. We swing over here in the sun. We got the right one right here. Today basically what we're going to be doing is doing the wheel sensor to get the ABS light out through the module. And because I've made this discovery, because I already extracted the old one on both sides. So the driver's side was unplugged and the passenger side was not. It was plugged in, it still snapped, like it's dry rotted and everything. But see this? It snapped inside the casing. What the previous owners did, or whoever, just zip tied it to the frame rail. They literally just zip tied it to the frame rail. That is like the worst fix ever. That's just I'll fix it later. No, that doesn't cut it. This was super fun to extract, and I'm using pure sarcasm with that because I fought tooth and nail getting both of these out. I broke so many drill bits to extract them. I got them both out. But some of the things we're going to be doing today is we're going to clean up, file down the rust around the edges, kind of clean it up, make it look nice. Our new ones. So I technically bought the wrong one. I found out the original Audi A4s, or at least mine, the 2001, just had the press in with the copper holds, but I couldn't really find those. So we have a bolt. There is a bolt hole extraction. I don't have the bolts, so there's that. And it's a super easy job because all you need to do, to do this, all you need is simple tools. You need probably a breaker bar to get the wheel off. I'm speeding this up with the drill, so they'll come out. Jack stand, jack, tools if you're tightening the bolts, unless it's pressing. Same thing for passenger, just the bolts. We'll start with the passenger here, and to get this started, do your start pattern, get the tire off, pull the tire after jacking up the car. You come into the back seat, and then the ABS connectors are located. There's one located on this side of the back seat. Sorry for being dirty. And there's one on the other side as well. So we'll have to pull the back seat out to get them disconnected and pulled out. That one is the driver's side, sorry. That's already been pulled out. The passenger broke, so I have still yet to pull that one out. So that'll be a super, super fun time. And I look forward to it. So now that we know what we're doing, let's jump straight into it. Let's go. Okay, if you see the line right here, this one, that's the speed sensor. There's the bolts that hold it down. I don't know where my E-set is, so I don't think I'm going to be removing that because it just snaps right about here. So I'll just put the line over top. As you can see, that hole right there, that is the wheel sensor housing. You can see where the little bolt hole is. I'm just gonna quickly clean that up with a file. Hopefully I can get a camera rigged in here or something to help with that. So let's jump straight to it. Probably can't see this because of this sketchy fuel filter holder. This is where the speed sensor does like tight underneath the car. So, oh boy, this is going to take a while. Success! That was hard. I got so much stuff in my eye. Well, there's the plug on the interior in here, and I'm just gonna go. Like, that's so rotted. I think I'm just gonna cut that and leave that there. because I'm lazy. But if yours isn't rotted like mine and stuck, and then it's not worth it. But let's go get the new toys. So more or less, reconnection is going to be the same. It's going to be just feed it up into the hole. Now it goes through like this little barrier under like a support structure that you'll need to have to guide it through. I recommend using maybe some kind of wire, needle nose pliers to do this. I'm gonna try it without and see how it goes, and if so, I'll grab like rope or something to help guide it. But you'll go in through the bottom with this end here, and it'll go up to the stop. You can adjust this for length depending on what you need. And from the inside, I'll pull it in and connect it, and then put the wheel sensor in the housing. So it'll be pretty dope. And then from there, it would be bolted down, of course, would be the next step. I'm pretty stoked. And then we put the wheel back on, we do the other side. Rinse, repeat. So let's get to it. Okay, so we're in the car now. I'm just gonna put the keys in the ignition. See if it'll clear the lights. Keep there. That light is still on. I have to clear it with the code reader. Nice. So hopefully this all went well for you guys as well. And you got the bolts. Mine kind of just pressed in, so I'm gonna get the bolts and put the bolts in regardless. But that's how you do the fix. It's super easy, super simple. You just need a flathead screwdriver to pull out that rubber part and just massage it, work with it, be gentle. Don't want to cut yourself. You also don't want to put your fuel filter in the most like jank spot ever. But if you guys like the video, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new here, hit that bell notifications to keep up to date on all Valiant's content. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, Valiant out.